About a month ago or so on my channel, you probably noticed I was doing some sponsored videos from the Umevo Note Plus. That's the product page you're looking at here. What I like to do on my channel, especially with videos that I have sponsored, is I like to spend some time with them long after to see if they're still worth the hype. You know, that new car smell sometimes wears off on some of these products because the reality is, you know, you find maybe the battery isn't as good as you thought, or there's some use case that you hadn't quite thought of that fails, or something along those lines. So I wanted to give a follow-up video, which is what this video is about today. And I gotta say, honestly, I still use this product at least 2 or 3 times a week. There is a lot of functionality in something like this, at least for me as somebody who I consider a creative mind. I'm always thinking about content for my channel. I'm always thinking about to-do lists and recordings that I have. And let's face it, if you're an iPhone user, Siri does a phenomenal job of doing a lot of that for you. You can ask her to give you a hand on calendar invitations and text messages and notes to yourself. But the reality is, at least with me, some of my thoughts are a little more complex. And sending a 25-page text to myself or my wife, who's like, "What the hell are you talking about?" I'm like, "Don't worry about it. It's just something for me." Honestly, doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So having a product that is a voice recorder that magnetically connects to the back of your phone, and yes, I'm still using it, is exactly the way I showed you guys when I did all those sponsored videos. It's really nice because it's just there and it just works. If you want to disconnect it and carry it around, you can do that too. You could snap it to a fridge. You could snap it to any surface you want that's nearby, pop it off, do a quick recording. Now, recording in of itself isn't all that original. And going back to what I said about Siri, you know, I mean, you can use that. You can just open up the voice memo and just start talking. And then later on, when you want to collect your thoughts or declutter, you can go back and listen to your recording and then kind of transcribe what you said, or, "Oh yeah, that was a really cool idea," or whatever it happens to be. The problem is, if you're like me, you tend to ramble. I know you're probably like, "Man, this YouTube video is 2.5 minutes long. He hasn't told me anything yet." Well, that's just how I am, okay? But I'll tell you, the fact that this product uses a version of AI to summarize your thoughts and put it into a digestible text format is awesome. I really like it. The convenience of it is really, really nice. I'd like to give you a couple scenarios in which I've actually used it. When I'm riding my bike, there are times that I'm just thinking about, you know, I'm carefree. I'm riding my bike. I'm listening to music. I'm having fun. And an idea will just occur to me, something I want to do, maybe a chore around the house or a YouTube video I want to do, or an idea I have for a collaboration. Well, I could just press the button and start talking. And while I'm riding, you know, I could just leave it open mic if I wanted to, which I wouldn't, but you know, it takes me a few minutes. Maybe I'm riding, maybe a car goes by and I have to collect my thoughts, or I'm huffing and puffing, and maybe a 4 or 5 minute recording captured, I don't know, 30 seconds of good information. When I'm done with the recording, I run it through the system. The app works great on your phone. It's super easy to use. And it basically summarizes all that in bulletized format. I can go home. I could delete that kind of long, rambling recording. And now I have a good set of data to work with. And that's really, really convenient. There's times I'm driving around in my car. You probably have seen before on my channel where I used to do what I'd call a Bronco cast, where I would actually have my cell phone out and I would talk and drive and give you guys a topic. I like those videos. I think those are actually fun videos because they're different. The problem is I'm focusing on driving. Maybe a car cuts in front of me. I have to focus on something, and my videos are not as smooth as they should be. They're a little disjointed because obviously my focus is on driving. So the recording doesn't come out as good as it should. Now, the alternative would be obviously to, like I said, open up Siri and just ramble into it and then go back and transcribe. But here in this case, I don't have to do that. And what I do is I take all that data, I run it through basically this smart transcription, this AI, what they're calling smart transcription. Basically, it's just summary, does a bulletized list and gives you basically everything you want. Now, the cool thing is you can output different types of data. So you don't necessarily have to just have a bulletized list of things. There are a sample set of data that you can have, whether you want to have like a process flow of things, whether you want to have a bulletized list, a summary. If you're having a conversation or a dialogue, you can have kind of like he said, she said. I like that. It does give you options on how you want to use this device. I feel like if you wanted to do an interview with somebody, you could record everything on here and you could have basically a built-in transcription instantly, which is nice. You can basically take the app, you can click on any part of the dialogue that you have, and it'll take you right to that moment. And you can go through it, and it'll give you a really nice summary of kind of, I was hoping that would be a little bigger picture. It's not. It'll give you a really nice summary of what was said at that exact moment. So you could basically, across a 20 or 30 minute conversation with yourself, or just a brainstorming session with friends, or a work session, or any kind of collaboration, you can press it and it'll take you right to that exact moment. You don't have to wonder what you said. It'll play it back for you, which is nice. It's got all the bells and whistles you want. It's a nice, crisp, clear format. It records phone calls if you want to do that. The battery lasts for freaking ever. I have been using mine, like I said, for about a month. I use it 2 or 3 times a week. I've charged the battery once. And I don't think I got it full. And a lot of times these things ship with like 40 or 50% battery. That's what I got. I like it. And I do recommend it. And I think it's a product that if you're like me, rather than constantly trying to write down notes or record and transcribe things later, let AI do it for you. You know, I don't think AI is perfect for everything. I think there's significant limitations with AI, but let AI be a data aggregate tool for you. It does that very, very well. It can listen to what you said. It can bundle logical thoughts into, easy to digest nuggets. It can help you kind of weed out things that maybe are just rambling or don't make sense. And when you have a nice summarized list, you can click on what you want and you can get right to it. I do recommend a product like this. There are other alternatives, but I think this is probably one that does well. It's not a significant price point. There's no any kind of subscriptions or anything like that. It's powered off of, basically open AI in a sense that it's readily available. You've seen so many companies put their own spin on AI. Everybody has their own version of AI. This is just basically a source of that. And it lets you manage things quickly. They have a couple different variants. The one that I have is the kind of mid-tier one, which they call the Note Plus. Runs you about $125 right now. Like I said, I do have a coupon code. Use it or not, I don't care. There's a Black Friday / Christmas sale going on right now. They also sell like a little more high-end one that if you're interested in as well, they'll set you back a little bit more, a little nicer screen, a little bit more feature set. I don't think you necessarily need it, honestly. For me, I've been able to collect my thoughts pretty well with this. So I do recommend a product like this. I still recommend a product like this. And you can probably rest assured if you've seen any of my videos in the last month, very high likelihood that I started basically talking into my phone, just sitting here thinking, brainstorming, whether my phone was mounted on my bike riding around, or whether I was riding to work, or whether I was just, playing a game and I wanted to grab my phone and, hey, remind me to talk about this topic later or this gameplay feature later on. Pretty high likelihood it came from this device. And it has helped me significantly organize my thoughts, which I definitely need help with in my line of work. I am managing multiple things at once, and it does become overwhelming. I haven't really used it for work due to the nature of my work. I don't really necessarily want to record some of the stuff I'm working on. However, I feel like this could be a good work tool as well. I'm personally using it for a hobby, as a hobbyist, as somebody who wants to collect my own personal thoughts on things that I want to do videos and collaborations on and partnerships with. But I could totally see this being a daily driver for work as well. I think if you were in a profession where you were interviewing with clients or doing some sort of brainstorming session and you wanted to just capture everything and then have it nice and organized, I think it'd be great. I can't tell you the number of times as I wrap this up, we're sitting there in a meeting and somebody will say something and we go, oh, that's a good idea. And then we talk about something for 3 or 4 minutes and then we can't remember what we went back to. Primarily, we can't remember like, oh, you had a really good word for this, or there was a really clever way you described it. What was it we forgot? And this does that really, really well. So I do recommend it. Like I said, I'll post a link in the description below. Use it or not, I don't care. I mean, I'd like you to, but you don't have to. It's okay. I'll be fine. And that'll wrap up today's video, right? So any questions or comments on this, sound off below. I'll do my best to answer. Hope you guys have happy holidays. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one, all right? Take care.